ADLock hardware, Deadbolt, installation. Installation instructions. Product parts. Lock 3 screws. Deadbolt. Mounting plate 2 screws. Latch 2 screws. Turn the switch to R, if you are having a right-hand door. Turn the switch to L, if you are having a left-hand door. Step 1, insert the latch. Step 2, fasten the screws. Step 3, check the operation with a screwdriver. Step 4, take out the deadbolt. Step 5, fix the deadbolt. Make sure the cable is threaded from beneath. Step 6, make sure the turn piece status is horizontally the same with the latch status. Step 7, check the latch operation again. Step 8, make cable threaded through the specific hole. Step 9, fix the mounting plate with 2 screws. The cable must be placed next to the right side screw. Step 10, turn the switch to correct LR position. Here we got a left-hand door, turn the switch to L. Step 11, plug in the cable into the socket. Step 12, attach the interior lock onto the plate. Step 13, check the deadbolt operation again. Step 14, fix the interior lock with 3 screws. Step 15, install the batteries. Step 16, check the interior LED, must be in green during the door is unlocked. Step 17, check the interior LED, must be in red during the door is locked. Step 18, install the battery cover. Step 19, done. Now the device is ready for owner registration.